Let's start with the learning part of our summit, and I'm very pleased to kick off today our VM training modules. But before we start, let me quickly explain what this project is about. The Europe VM training modules consist in 8 incredible modules, and they were created by experts dedicated to experts. And this will bring Europe to the next level. And we will show the world how we won the game. We announced beginning of this year the European VM Training Task Force. They were the ones responsible for the VM modules creation. And as you can see, it's a very diverse and most important, very experienced team. We have all different grades and areas of visual merchandising team. People from store project and conceptualization, wholesale, visual excellence, senior VMs, regional VMs, flagship senior VMs, and our entire back office involved in this project. They come from different parts of the world, as you can see by our flags. And this rich mix of culture adds so much value to the business because the different ways of thinking express idea, and most important, this reflects our different types of consumers at the same time. Leading this project, it has been amazing, and so many learnings, experiences sharing, creativity, collaboration, teamwork. It's just wow. I actually wanted to take this moment to thank you, Semra and Axel, for this opportunity and trust above everything. And also to all of you, team members of the Europe Task Force team, thank you so much. But let me quickly introduce the team members and the leaders of each module. So the first one is the virtual store visit, was created by myself with the support from Europe, from the back office, Bethany from UK, Maya from Southeast. And the second module is Commerciality to Succeed, led by the Turkish Isa and Jeremy from France, Tom from Benelux, Agnieszka from East, and Julia from our Europe back office. The module 3 is Smart Cross Merchandise, was led by Tom, with a great collaboration from Maya, Federica from Italy, Sandy, our senior VM from Nordics, and Nora from our back office. The next VM module, it's 4, Appealing Mannequin Styling, led by the beautiful Bethany from UK, with the support from Maya, Sandy, the French Girek, and Nuria from our back office team, which is based in UK. And we start with the other side. The fifth module, Efficient Store Layout, was led by Federica and supported by Olga, Laura, the senior VM from Iberia, Caitlin, and myself. The sixth module, it's Meaningful VM Report. Eva is the leader, and the team is Caitlin, Jeremy, and Girek from France. The module 7, one of the most important, Winning in Wholesale and Franchise, Maya took the lead, and the team was Federica, Bethany, Isa, and Elle from our back office. And last but not least, the one which touched my heart very deeply, it's Diversity and Inclusion through VM, which was led by Sandy and supported by Agnieszka, Girek, and myself. Now moving to the rollout plan and the journey. So this journey started beginning of this year and took us Q1 and Q2 in order to create, test, trial, and validate all the contents. We are now releasing the modules in this summit. Then the next, we will offer 2 sessions in 2 different weeks, where the Europe Task Force leaders will deep dive into the modules with all regional VMs, training project managers, and we also will invite our retail trainers, and after that, the team should be ready to roll out the trainings to the store teams on their most convenient dates. And from October and November, we will request a report about how many stores, people, modules, and dates that the trainings were happening. And by the end of the year, we might be already in full speed with everyone trained. And of course, we wanted to keep the feedback looping and sharing the best practices. And now it's time to start introducing the modules. Let's start with the virtual store visits. And after that, we will have a 5-minute break, and we will continue with efficient store layout presenting by Federica.